Vodafone Idea Q3 Result at earning call details, share price, history and more. Vodafone Idea has announced an earning call with the investor and analysts to discuss the Q3 financial year result at 4:30 p.m. on Wednesday, Jan 28th, Mumbai. Vodafone Idea Ltd will announce the result for the third quarter of financial year 26. Next week, the company is backed by Aditya, Birla Group and Vodafone Group. It is a major telecom operator offering voice and data access 3G, 4G and 5G platforms in the India. Here is everything you need to know about Vodafone Idea Q3 financial year 2026 result announcement. Vodafone Idea Q3 result date. Introductions filing dates in January 21. Vodafone Idea shared at a meeting of its the board of directors scheduled on Jan 27 to consider and approve the unaudited, standalone and the consolidated financial result for the Qatar and 9 months ended December 31, 2025. Vodafone Idea Q3 result trading window closure. In compliance with CB rules to prevent insider trading, the trading window for dealing and securities of the companies is the close for designated person from January 1 to January 29. Also read Axis Bank Q3 result next week, date, actions, call details, shares, price, history and more. Vodafone Idea Q3 result earning call. The company has announced in earning call with the investor and analysts to discuss the Q3 financial year 2026 result at 4:30 p.m. on Wednesday, Jan 20th, Mumbai. The investor presentation shall be made available before the event on the website of the company and the stock exchange, the Vodafone Idea said. Vodafone Idea Q3 result. Vodafone Idea reported a 2.4%. Vodafone Idea share price history. Share of Vodafone Idea have fallen 6.69% in the past 5 trading sessions on the NSE. In the past month, the share price has decreased 17.64% and it is the past 6 months it has been raised 34.33% on a year-to-date basis. It was a decline by 14.66% over the past year. It has been rising by 4.65%. The stock hit a 52-week high of Rs 12.80 apiece on the NSE on the December 31, 2025 and a 52-week low of Rs 6.12 apiece on August 14, 2025. Vodafone Idea share closed 2.75% lower at Rs 9.90 apiece on the NSE on Friday. The compressed to a 0.95 decline in the benchmark Nifty 50.